Samsung is gearing up to introduce the all-new Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. While it may not showcase revolutionary hardware innovations, it still delivers impressive enhancements. This wearable focuses on refinement, elevating the aesthetics, enhancing the software experience, and introducing practical health features that matter in everyday life. Here's a breakdown of everything you can look forward to with the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic retains the Exynos W1000 chipset, the same silicon used in its predecessor. While some users anticipated a newer chip, this processor utilizes a 3nm architecture and is recognized for its optimal blend of performance and power efficiency. It's well-equipped for tracking fitness, navigating apps, and handling alerts without lagging or depleting the battery rapidly. Samsung has clearly prioritized reliability and tried-and-tested power over unnecessary changes, and that's a smart move. One of the standout enhancements lies in the software department. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic runs on One UI 8 Watch, Samsung's latest platform for wearables. This version emphasizes user-friendliness and deeper personalization. Highlight features include new tile widgets for tools such as the calculator, voice memo, and Galaxy Buds controls, plus a shortcut key to activate the voice recorder via the side button. A refreshed interface inspired by Material You provides a sleek, modern aesthetic with broader customization. The mission is simple: make the watch more user-friendly and engaging. Whether it's checking forecasts or logging a note, interactions feel quicker and more fluid. Samsung leans into what already works and refreshes it with finesse. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic revives the much-loved rotating bezel, now refined with deeper notches for enhanced tactile feedback. This makes scrolling through settings feel seamless and intuitive. In terms of design, the watch blends the classic circular style with a more angular, boxier frame, forming a hybrid square-round profile. It's 2 to 3 millimeters thicker, likely to house a larger battery, and is now available in a single size, simplifying the selection process. Samsung's design philosophy here is mature and considered, subtle yet premium. It's fashionable enough for evenings out and rugged enough for gym sessions. Battery endurance remains a top priority in the wearable segment. Samsung has made subtle but impactful refinements in this area. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is projected to offer extended battery life, probably due to its thicker frame accommodating a slightly bigger cell. However, charging speeds remain unchanged, still capped at 10 watts. While not industry-leading, especially next to rivals, the boost in energy efficiency means fewer trips to the charger. Samsung continues evolving its smartwatches into holistic health companions. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic introduces some compelling wellness features. Antioxidant Index. This tool leverages the heart rate monitor to assess antioxidant levels, providing insights that can guide nutrition and lifestyle habits. Vascular Load Monitoring tracks cardiovascular stress, helping you gauge how your heart copes with physical exertion and downtime. Personal Health Coaching, offering tailored insights on exercise, sleep trends, and general health based on your unique metrics. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just health conscious, these features turn the Watch 8 Classic into a reliable wellness assistant. If you're already part of Samsung's product ecosystem, owning Galaxy Buds or a Galaxy smartphone, the Watch 8 Classic integrates seamlessly. You can manage earbuds, respond to alerts, and access apps right from your wrist. No need to grab your phone. This ecosystem synergy is a strong selling point for users who want fluid connectivity between their devices. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic will be officially introduced during the Galaxy Unpacked event, alongside premium devices like the Galaxy Watch Ultra, Galaxy Z Fold 7, and Z Flip 7. Launching them together underscores Samsung's strategy of delivering an interconnected product suite where each gadget enhances the others. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic might not reinvent the wheel, but it doesn't have to. With polished design changes, smart health integrations, upgraded software, and tighter device harmony, it presents a compelling option for anyone seeking a dependable and stylish smartwatch. It's a watch that exemplifies intelligent refinement, elevating the user experience without unnecessary reinvention. Whether you prioritize fitness, appreciate smart functionality, or simply want an elegant and reliable timepiece, The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is positioned to be a standout wearable in 2025. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more in-depth tech explorations.